这么多年以来21届这个头家会，我觉得对促进这个中外的这个双向投资，应该说发挥了这个积极的和这个卓有成效的这么一些作用。
I think one advantage that China has is its market. So I think it's a good signal that after the announcement of the 14th Five-Year Plan, that China remains open and it will continue to welcome and attract foreign investments. So I think this sends a very good signal for foreign investments, including companies from Singapore. So I think our companies, Singapore companies, are looking at the opportunities to work with Chinese companies to participate in the next phase of development under the 14th Five-Year Work Plan and towards 2035.
I think it's a big market, so people come because of the market. I think the topic of cheap labor is long gone in China. China is definitely now not anymore a low labor country, low wage country, but a middle income, or in some special sectors even high wages. But people come for investment because of their customers here and also their supplier base. So our companies are interested in this market, and we are, as official representations, also very present. We have offices in Beijing, Shanghai, Chengdu and Guangzhou, and we are very interested in working with China.